Every great story has a beginning. The story of HDFC Bank starts with Hasmukhbhai Parekh, born in Surat to a modest family. Growing up, he witnessed the struggles of ordinary people, how hard it was to get a loan, to build a home, to chase a dream. Determined to change his circumstances, Parekh studied hard and earned a degree in banking and finance from the London School of Economics. After returning to India, he joined ICICI, where he absorbed everything about lending, risk and building institutions. He saw that big banks often ignored the needs of the common man, the salaried worker, the small shopkeeper. Instead of retiring in his 60s, Parekh decided to act on the dream that had taken root in his youth. He wanted to create an institution that would help ordinary Indians own homes. The dream was simple: make home ownership possible for millions. With vision and determination, Parekh set out to build something that would serve the common man. This belief would lay the foundation for HDFC, the parent company of HDFC Bank. His story is a reminder that big dreams can grow from humble beginnings. The seed planted in Surat would one day grow into a financial giant. This is the story of how one man's dream changed the destiny of millions. Back in 1977, owning a home was a distant dream for most Indians. Banks were slow and focused on big clients. H.T. Parekh envisioned a nation with better lives, believing home ownership was key. He founded HDFC, a company dedicated to housing loans. It was a revolutionary idea met with skepticism, but Parekh built a dedicated team focused on accessible home loans for the middle class. Over a decade, HDFC became synonymous with home loans and reliability. In the 1990s, as India's economy opened, private banks were allowed. Deepak Parekh saw an opportunity to expand HDFC's services. Why not build a full-fledged bank? Thus, HDFC Bank was born, built on trust, transparency, and customer focus. HDFC Bank would redefine banking for millions of Indians. The vision was clear: serve the people. HDFC Bank was poised to become a bank for the people. In 1994, the Reserve Bank of India granted HDFC a license to set up a bank. HDFC Bank was among the first private banks in India, a moment of triumph. The HDFC name brought instant trust, but a great bank needed a great leader. Enter Aditya Puri, a successful Citibank executive in Malaysia. Leaving a global career, he returned to India to build something from scratch. Puri shared the vision of a world-class Indian bank and took the leap. The first office was a modest space in Mumbai's Kamala Mills. The team was small, but ambition was huge. From day one, the focus was clear: technology, risk management, and customer centricity. These weren't just slogans, they were guiding principles. The first branch opened in 1995, marking a humble beginning for a future giant. Competing with established public sector banks, HDFC Bank relied on technology and service. They introduced centralized processing, making banking more efficient and reliable. Branches were professional and welcoming. The journey had begun, not just to build a bank, but to redefine banking in India. The foundation was set for a new era. HDFC Bank was ready to challenge the old order. The story of HDFC Bank was now in motion. A new standard for Indian banking was being created. The dream was becoming reality. The first steps had been taken. The future was wide open. HDFC Bank grew steadily, not explosively. Aditya Puri believed in building brick by brick, focusing on quality over size. The bank targeted high-quality corporate clients and salaried individuals, a low-risk strategy. While others chased rapid growth, HDFC Bank chose caution, avoiding crises that hit competitors. Technology was their secret weapon. They were among the first to offer ATMs, phone banking, and internet banking, making banking convenient and efficient. Internally, technology kept costs low and improved decision-making. The culture was meritocratic and execution-focused. Employees were empowered and progress depended on performance. Every decision was backed by data and strategy. The bank expanded its branch network thoughtfully, not just for numbers. This methodical approach ensured profitability and stability. The loan book and profits grew without taking on bad loans. HDFC Bank's reputation as a safe, reliable bank grew stronger each year. The early years set the tone for disciplined, sustainable growth. The bank's foundation was solid. The platform for future dominance was built. the journey was just beginning. Building a bank is about trust. For a new private bank, earning trust was the biggest challenge. HDFC Bank delivered on its promises. ATMs worked, customer service responded, and systems were reliable. Consistency built a reputation for dependability. Trust is built in drops and lost in buckets. Competition was fierce, with aggressive rivals chasing fast growth. HDFC Bank stuck to its cautious approach, refusing to compromise on credit quality. This discipline was tested during the 2008 financial crisis. While others faltered, HDFC Bank emerged unscathed. Its focus on quality and risk management paid off. The crisis proved that HDFC Bank's boring strategy was actually a winning one. Customers and investors saw it as a safe haven. Trust soared, and HDFC Bank became one of the country's most reliable banks. The challenge of trust had been overcome. HDFC Bank was no longer just a new player, it was a leader. The nation had found a bank it could rely on. The foundation of trust was now unshakable. The bank's reputation was its greatest asset. The journey from skepticism to trust was complete. Aditya Puri's leadership defined HDFC Bank's rise. His vision built a world-class Indian bank that understood local needs. He believed in starting small, like two-wheeler loans, to build trust and data. This granular approach created a massive, loyal customer base. Puri was obsessed with risk management and kept the business model simple. The focus was on basic banking deposits and loans, not complex products. Under his leadership, the 2008 merger with Centurion Bank of Punjab rapidly expanded HDFC Bank's reach. The merger was executed flawlessly, showing the bank's ability to grow smartly. Puri's long tenure brought stability and a deep leadership pipeline. When he retired in 2020, he left behind a bank that was a leader in every category. Puri's legacy is a testament to visionary, disciplined leadership. The institution he built was strong, stable, and ready for the future. The Aditya Puri era set the gold standard for Indian banking. HDFC Bank's success came from smart, prudent decisions. A relentless focus on CASA current and savings accounts kept funding costs low and profits high. The bank built a diversified loan book, balancing corporate and retail lending. This spread risk and provided stability. Early entry into credit cards and digital payments created new revenue streams and valuable customer data. The credit card business became a powerful engine for growth and engagement. Most importantly, the bank's focus on asset quality, avoiding bad loans, set it apart. Strong credit culture and data-driven decisions kept non-performing assets among the lowest in the industry. Quality over quantity was the secret sauce. HDFC Bank became a favorite of investors for its consistent long-term performance. The bank's disciplined approach paid off year after year. Smart decisions built a resilient, profitable institution. The results spoke for themselves. Today, HDFC Bank is India's largest private sector bank, a financial titan. From a single branch, it now serves millions across the country. The 2023 merger with HDFC Limited created a financial services powerhouse. This synergy allows the bank to offer home loans and banking products to a vast customer base. HDFC Bank stock is a blue-chip favorite, known for stability and long-term growth. A small investment in its IPO would be worth a fortune today. The bank consistently reports strong profits and low bad loans. It is considered too big to fail by regulators. Led by Sashidhar Jagdishan, HDFC Bank continues its legacy of prudent growth and digital innovation. The bank is a one-stop shop for all financial needs. Its scale and reliability make it a pillar of the Indian economy. The journey from humble beginnings to market leader is complete. HDFC Bank stands as a symbol of what's possible in Indian banking. HDFC Bank's story is one of inspiration and vision. HT Parekh's dream was about empowerment, not personal gain. The bank's purpose was to help people build their own futures. The journey offers lessons for entrepreneurs. Start with purpose, be patient, focus on quality, build a strong culture, and never compromise on values. For investors, HDFC Bank is a blueprint-strong brand, consistent performance, disciplined management, and clear competitive advantages. Investing is about finding great businesses and holding them for the long term. HDFC Bank's legacy is built on dreams, discipline, and dedication. It proves that world-class institutions can be built in India. Where you start doesn't determine where you end up. From HT Parekh's humble beginnings to HDFC Bank's global scale, the journey is a powerful reminder of what vision and commitment can achieve. The story is not just about banking, it's about changing lives. The legacy continues to inspire. The journey from small town to market leader is complete.